John here, Shoreline Fishing, and I am fishing yet again in December. It's a week away from Christmas and it's plus 15. Let me get this wind out of the way. Yeah, as you can tell, it is quite windy out, but plus 15, it has been plus 15 at this part of Ontario since 1985. So the wind is going to make it hard today because I am fishing with a bobber and a worm. I got it in, ready to see if I can get some bites. And let's see, let's fish. So I'm going to say this now: if I get skunked again, no big deal. Like I said, it's beautiful weather out, a little windy, but beautiful weather out. I'm just enjoying being outside, honestly. So let's see if I get some luck. So the exact temperature right now is 9, and I am getting some nibbles. I can tell by the worm, but I haven't got any takers yet. So let's see if I can get some of those nibblers to actually take it. It's fish. Obviously, we always want to catch fish when we go fishing, right? But the main thing for me is to get outside and get some fresh air. And with it being seasonably high, high for the temperature being high for the season, that's what I was trying to say. What else would you want to do besides sit outside on the bench and just hope to catch a fish, but just enjoy the outside? I love being outside, and yeah, catching fish is just part of, well, a large part of the fun, but just part of the fun. And yeah, so let's see. Let's continue relaxing. This is what keeps me out so long. Just in peace. I decided to throw out the maps a little bit. Just wait for the wind. No, I've decided to toss out the maps for a little bit. The water is murky because of the wind. So let's see. So I figured on the way home I would stop off at the ponds and see if I can get any luck here with a pike, maybe. I would assume they're quite hungry, so let's see. Let's fish. No luck today, but hey, you know what? I got out, enjoyed this amazing weather in December. Like I said, it hasn't been this warm in December since '85, the radio said. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And probably next season I'll see you again fishing. I'm not sure what I'm going to do during the winter when we actually get winter temperatures, but till then, see you later.